So to show you guys, we're going to use a basic reaction, a simple one, which is going to be the formation of ammonia. So to make ammonia, we need nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas. The first thing we have to do when we are analyzing the limiting reactant is to determine whether or not the reaction is balanced. So we verify the balancing first, and then we continue. So for example, I have a molecule of 2 atoms of nitrogen here, so I need to have 2 atoms of nitrogen on the other side. I don't have them, so I'm going to add a coefficient. So I have 2 nitrogen atoms and 2 nitrogen atoms on this side. And then the hydrogen atoms are 2 times 3, 6. To turn this 2 into a 6, we're going to put a coefficient of 3. And that makes my equation be balanced. Next, we're going to see the ratios of each one of the reactants versus product. So I know that I need 1 unit of molecular hydrogen versus 3 units of hydrogen gas to produce 2 molecules of ammonia. So this is my ratio. I have 1 to 3 for the reactants versus 1 of nitrogen to 2 of ammonia, which is a product, or 3 of hydrogen versus 2 of ammonia, again, which is a product. So as an example, and first thing, what is the limiting reactant? It will be basically what determines how much products I will get. It obviously is the one that is in less percentage considering these ratios. Example. If I have 2 molecules of nitrogen gas versus 5 molecules of hydrogen gas, which of the 2 will limit the reaction? Which one will stop the reaction, basically? So how can I tell? Well, I'm going to analyze this considering the nitrogen, for example, because it's easier. It has a coefficient of 1. So if I have 2 molecules of nitrogen gas, that means that I need to have double that amount of hydrogen gas. Okay, so we're going to have then, because we don't have 1 but we have twice that amount, we're going to multiply this times 2 as well, because we have double this amount. So that means that I need 6 hydrogen molecules to be able to produce how much ammonia we're going to see first, because I actually don't have 6 but have 5. Therefore, the one that will limit my reaction is going to be the hydrogen, because I have less than the amount necessary to consume all nitrogen gas. This one over here. Reactant. So the question is, how much ammonia will be produced then, if this will limit the reaction? Then, because this will limit the reaction, I know that I need 3 of this with 1 of this to produce double or 2 molecules or 2 units of ammonia. So that would be 3, because only 1 will react with 3 of the other one. The total that will be produced will be 2 units of ammonia. And how much will be left? I will have 1 nitrogen that will not react and 2 hydrogens that will not react.